What's up everybody, it's the G.O.A.T VR. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make stuff in Animal Company big. So here's how. What you need is a stick, G.O.A.T, and whatever you want to make big. I'll do the great sword. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to the report menu, and the stick should be small. So you're going to G.O.A.T it while it's small. Then you're going to switch to the money menu, and that makes it bigger. So you can take it off and repeat it if you want, and it just keeps becoming bigger. Other players cannot see it, so you can't flex it, but it works the same for effects. You can also appear floating like that, and that's how.